So what's going on YouTube? And we're gonna start, fuck. So what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're in the new GBL HQ. We've got a 200SX behind us. We're about to lift it up on the ramp. We're gonna be welding the diff for the customer. He wants to do a bit of drifting. So I said, don't worry, let me weld the diff. And then once we've welded it, we're gonna go test it out and see what he's saying. But that's the car there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get the spanners out and we're gonna crack on. So let's get it done. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be disconnecting the drive shafts. So we need to undo each one individually. Once we've done that, we'll be moving over to the prop shaft. And yeah, just a couple of bolts and the diff's out, man. Not a big job at all. Oh, fucking hell. Before we weld the diff and the diff's fully locked, we'll just show you what a stock diff is like. So if I hold this wheel and turn this, can you see that, guys? See that? See the right one turning? Once it's locked, mate, it's locked. The customer knows that once it's welded, it's gonna be a bit savage, but he wants to drift. And I said, you ain't drifting with this, innit? We've tried to drift. One wheel locks, one wheel doesn't. You'll end up crashing your car. You need it to be permanent, so when you full send it, you know it's gonna get sent hard, innit? Simple. Hard, man. It's a... This last bolt out. As you can see, that I need this ring side of the spanner to go in there to lock it on. Otherwise this will just slip, yeah? But because I've done so many of these cars, I've got a custom spanner I made. So yeah, that gets in the gap one time, no slippage, gets the job done. Hey! Oh, it's so much easier when you have the right tools, man. Look, crack it loose, that's it. Now we don't need the lever bar. Now you can use this side of the spanner. Down in the description of this video, I'm gonna put the mobile number to the shop, and what we're gonna be doing is, if you've got a car like this that needs maintenance, just hit me up. I mean, obviously I specialize on alignments, but I can do other stuff. So I'm gonna put my link in the description, check it out, and then yeah, bring your car down to me, we'll get it fixed. And after get the GBL source, oh my God. Just imagine that, quick service in GBL source, you're ready. The prop shaft is disconnected, the drive shafts are disconnected. Now we just need to undo the back bolts for the diff and the front bolts, and the diff should just come out. It's gonna be a bit of a struggle because, as you can see on here, he hasn't modified his subframe, so he's still got the lip that goes inwards. Usually we cut this bit out so the diff is quicker to take in and out when you wanna like swap the diffs around. So yeah, let's gun it off and see what happens. Very good, very nice. Okay, I'm a fucking Superman. Fuck. Oh. Wow. Fuck, you don't need to go gym when you work on these, man, I tell you that. Monster. But yeah, that's the diff. That's the diff, it's out. Beautiful. So now that the diff is out, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be whipping off the back cover here. As you can see, this bit here needs to come off. Drain out all the oil, clean it all out. Once it's clean, then we can see what we're doing. We need to basically weld up the cogs to lock the diff. 25 years old diff. Obviously, it's not gonna be doing its job anymore. So we're gonna get the welder out and we're gonna make sure it does its job. Let's get this done. Oh, beautiful. Right, so I reckon it's gonna come out all metallic. Before we see the oil, I reckon it's gonna come out with metal chunks and like looking really metallic. Because obviously I don't think the diff oil has ever been changed. Oh, it's not too bad. I thought it would be really bad. That's quite clear. Yeah, for diff oil, that's really clear. Mate, look, for diff oil to look that clean, look,
before.
So the difference between a non-welded diff and a welded diff, the non-welded diff, as you turn, the wheels can move individually. So when you do a 3-point turn, the wheels will be able to slip. With the welded diff, the wheels are locked, they're only going forward or backwards, but they're going the same direction. So when you do a 3-point turn with a welded diff, both your wheels are turning, hence why you get that transmission skip noise. But yeah, welded diffs are a bit strong. But at the end of the day, if you want to drift, you need a welded diff. You ain't going to be doing it with a stock LSD. That there is what we're looking for. I don't know if you can film the cogs, yeah?
Yeah, I can.
Watch this. This is a limited slip diff. Ready? Watch. So as they're turning like that, once it's welded, they won't be able to do that, and it'll be fully locked. We have to weld all the gears together. All right, so the diff is officially welded up now. I've welded up all 4 sections of what you need to do. I've cleaned the section here on the diff casing. I've also cleaned the facing of that as well, as you can see. That's all cleaned up, ready to go. So yeah, I've also cleaned out the diff. If you come over here and have a look, we've emptied out all the insides as well, so there's no swarf, so nothing can get caught up. And yeah, we're literally gonna run silicone along it, and we're gonna seal it up and then just put it back in the car. So yeah, the diff is officially welded now. There's no going back. Because the metal is still slightly warm from welding the diff, it won't need long for the silicone to go like all tacky sort of thing. Do you know what I mean? It will speed the process up of the silicone getting nice and dry, and then we just sandwich it with the diff casing, tighten it down nicely, and the diff will never leak. I can guarantee this diff will never leak. The nuts back, beautiful nuts. Always start them by hand when you do the job, because you don't want to cross thread anything. That's how I do it anyway. Just, see that? You know what we say once that happens? Ceilings. See? That's nice. All right, that's done, Bash. That's it, that's perfect. All right. Happy days. That is how you do it. I know, because I know, you know why? Because I know that I have a life. That's why this job is very rewarding. So the welded diff has now been installed. It's fully locked. Mate, that's locked. All we're gonna do now is take it outside and send it. It's a little bit wet outside. It's better for us, better for the tires. Yeah, so let's hop back into the car now. Come on, it's like slow motion drifting. Guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a massive thumbs up, hit that subscribe button as well, and put down in the comments what you guys suggest my next video should be, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. So Kumar is the owner of the 200SX. He's got the welded diff. He just asked me if I could take the welded diff off. I said no, it's too late now, it's welded. And now he's gonna go send it for the boys.